Please subscribe and press the bell icon. Juicing is becoming quite popular in society these days. There are many benefits that can be gained from beginning to juice. There are many people who will tell you that juicing makes them look and feel great. On the other hand, there are people who think that juicing is unhealthy, and this is due to the fact that they have been misinformed about it. Some of the benefits that you can get from juicing would include weight loss, body cleanses, and there is even anti-aging benefits. Let us go into some juicing topics that help us learn about juicing better. Number 1. Healthy juicing basics. There are many different benefits that can be gained from juicing. It is important that people are aware of the facts of juicing, and do not listen to rumors that state that juicing is not healthy. Many people do not really know a lot about juicing. If you are one of these people, you are watching the right video. It can be a bit difficult at times, however, to eat enough fruits and vegetables in a day to notice any results. This is where juicing can offer you a real advantage. One of the most beneficial things about juicing is the fact that it adds convenience to getting all of your necessary nutrients for the day, and offers you the opportunity to be smart with your health while enjoying a tasty treat. Juicers break down fruits and vegetables and break them down into liquid form. When these vegetables are broken down, they release high amounts of nutrients. A lot of people will tell you that you actually receive more nutrients from juicing than just simply eating fruits or vegetables. The possibilities are endless when it comes to juicing recipes. There are different types of recipes meant for different types of tastes and different types of health benefits. For example, some juice recipes may be designed to have a sweet taste to satisfy a craving, while others will be designed to help with weight loss. Some people do not think that they need to juice because they are currently in good health. Just because you are in good health now does not mean that you will be tomorrow. Those who like to work out and take great pride in their physical appearance will tell you about how much juicing has helped them. There are people who think that a juicing diet only consists of juice. This is not true. Many people will still eat while juicing, but it will be in smaller amounts and healthier food. This is due to the fact that your appetite will be under control because your body has all of the nutrients it needs, therefore you will not feel hungry. No matter what your reason is, whether it be to lose some weight, detoxify your body, or if you just want to start doing something healthier with your body, juicing is perfect for you. Number 2. Advantages of juicing. Fruits and vegetables are packed with nutrition, and that is why juicing is so healthy and good for you. This juice is easily digestible because when it is pressed, the fiber is removed from it. The ability to almost immediately absorb the nutrients from the juice has enormous health benefits. You can get the same level of nutrition from simply just eating fruits and vegetables, but in order for the amount of nutrition absorbed to be the same, you would have to consume a very large quantity. Here are some examples of the different types of advantages that come from juicing. 1. Increased energy. When you start juicing, you will notice that you suddenly have a lot more energy to help you get through your day than you used to. This is due to the fact that all of the nutrients of the fruits and vegetables that juicing provides is easily digestible. A perfect example of this would be eating a large dinner and then suddenly becoming tired. This happens because all of your energy is being exhausted in order to digest the meal. Juice is easily digested and all of the nutrients provide energy themselves. 2. Digestion. If you have problems with your digestive system, juicing can be of great help you too. Juicing does wonders for the digestive system. There are even certain recipes for juicing that are designed to help you cleanse your digestive system. 3. Detoxing. Many people juice because they are aware of the fact that it is great for detoxifying the body. Juicing cleanses the body as a whole and is very beneficial towards body health and healing. It is also great for your blood, which is a big positive because many undesired health problems originate in the blood. 4. Stronger immune system. In order for you to be able to ward off certain viruses, bacteria and parasites, you need to have a strong immune system. Juicing is a great way of boosting your immune system and making sure that your body is ready to fight at any time. 5. Weight loss. Trying to lose weight can be quite a challenge for some people. It can be difficult at times to not let your appetite take over and find yourself overeating. Juicing can make the whole process of trying to lose weight much easier. This is due to the fact that juicing will curb your appetite since you will be getting all of the nutrients that you need. This will allow you to eat less and limit the amount on unhealthy food that you consume. 6. Have a clear mind. Another great benefit that juicing offers is the fact that it improves brain health. A healthier brain results in better concentration and higher levels of focus and problem-solving skills. 7. Healthier joints. A lot of people with arthritis and other joint issues juice because of its anti-inflammatory advantages. Those who juice will tell you that their joints feel much healthier and that they can move much easier and with more freedom of motion. 8. Better sleep. Studies show that those who juice have better sleeping patterns. It is easier for them to fall asleep and they go into a much deeper sleep, allowing them to feel refreshed in the morning. Thanks for watching.